Hello everyone. Looking to level up your note-taking game? Let's talk about the Cornell method, a powerful way to organize your notes for maximum efficiency. Step 1. Divide your page. Start by dividing your page into 3 sections. First, Q column. Draw a vertical line about 2.5 inches from the left. This is where you'll jot down key terms and questions. Second, note-taking area. The large section to the right is for your detailed notes. Third, summary section. Leave a space at the bottom for summarizing key points. Step 2. Take detailed notes. During your lecture or reading, fill the note-taking area with detailed information. Focus on main ideas, important details, and key concepts. Step 3. Add cues. After your session, use the Q column to list keywords, questions, or main ideas that correspond to your notes. These cues help with quick reviews and self-testing. Step 4. Summarize. At the bottom of the page, write a brief summary of the material. This helps reinforce what you've learned and gives you a quick reference. Review your notes regularly using the Q column to test yourself and strengthen your memory. And that's the Cornell method in a nutshell. If you found this quick tip useful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more study hacks. Happy note taking!